Hey everybody, how you doing? Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's St. Patrick's Day and the sun is actually almost shining outside. I am at my open house in Williams Creek. So if you like Williams Creek, there's still time to get over here or just call me. I can get you in. 8075 Morningside Drive, Williams Creek, just past Hollyhock Hill. You know the restaurant. Anyway, this is a fabulous, built in 1951, but totally remodeled, totally redone, really solid custom quality. So I can't possibly show you everything, but I will show you this fun, kind of like my fireplace at my house, but the big, huge, great room. There's like 7 bathrooms in this house and a lot of space for entertaining, but I do love that fireplace. Don't you like that? Anyway, I'm not too good at all this, but big, huge room here for entertaining. And anyhow, so if you need to stop by sometime and want to get on this, have a private showing, I can do that for you. If you want to stop by before 2 today, I'm still here. And again, that's 8075 Morningside Drive in Williams Creek, just off of College. And it's $8.99. Price dropped a little bit, so $8.99. And if you have any questions, just ask me and I'll tell you about the house.